What's up YouTube? This is Dutty Berry and this is a brand new segment that I would like to call What's So Good? So in this segment I will be talking about something that I find cool and answering the question, what's so good about it? So for this video I will be talking about Fergie's, Miss Fergalicious' brand new music video. I totally forgot the name. Wow. Okay, I got it. It's called You Already Know. So come start the video now, man.
That's right, baby. You already know. You already know.
Well, first up, Fergie, Miss Fergalicious, yes? I had to change my glasses. Yeah, I had to change my glasses. I want you to see my face. So what's so good about You Already Know is that Miss Fergalicious, Miss Fergie is back. Back.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah.
Millennials, listen up. I know I'm kind of old, but I remember Fergie. I remember Fergie from the group called Black Eyed Peas.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump.
I remember Fergie when she went solo.
Fergalicious definition, make them boys go loco.
God, what's so great about this video is that Fergie looks the exact same. Oh wow. Oh God, my breath stinks, damn. So fresh and so clean. So Fergie, I think she's about like 40 or 40 something, and Fergie looks the same. With a little help of exercise and Botox. I'm just so happy that Fergie is back. Because Fergie creates feel-good music. You know the type of music that make you just behave like you're just funky and you just yeah, Fergie does music that not all the time makes sense, but it makes you feel good.
Drink a little, swig a little, sip a little, spill a little, feel a little loopy when
What's so great? The next thing that is really great about this music video is that the video is shot in black and white. Now tell me, how many music videos have you seen shot in black and white? Take a second and think about it. I haven't seen a video shot in black and white since Drop It Like It's Hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
And what's the other video? I think it was a Beyonce video.
sorry, I ain't sorry.
I know Fergie is bringing that black and white elements in music videos. It looks very classic, it looks very chic. She and Nicki Minaj looking both beautiful. And yeah, that's about it. I think I should black and white this video now. Yeah. Gonna do the video in black and white. It don't matter if you're black or white. What's so good? What's so good about this video is that the video is sampled, the music video, the song is sampled from an old hip-hop classic called It Takes Two to Make a Thing Go Right by DJ Easy and Rob Bass. And as you know people, in 2017, in 2016, in 2015, everyone in hip-hop has been sampling, from Chris Brown
From the moment you was dancing in the party
to Rihanna to Fifth Harmony. I mean, it's pretty clear if you want to get a hit these days, you gotta get a sample, man. You gotta be listening to music from 20 years ago, from 15 years ago. I mean, pretty soon somebody gonna be sampling from the Bible. Songs of Solomon. No, I really think that did funny still, boy. What's so good? What is so good about this music video is that it features Nicki Minaj.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
Ménage et toi?
Je m'appelle, j'habite Kingston.
What's so good about this music video is that it features the beautiful Nicki Minaj, and everybody knows that if you want to get a hit, if you want a hit record, if you want a #1 record, you have to have a Nicki Minaj.
Hey yo, let it go, let's go. I keep a bar like.
Because most times, let's admit it, the songs become Nicki's own. No one remembers the actual artist, it becomes Nicki's song. Just ask anyone, what's the name of the dude that actually wrote Rake It Up? No one knows. So Nicki literally has been collaborating with
everybody.
Everybody in the music business. She's been collaborating with this person. Then in this video.
Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line sucks.
Then in that video.
I'ma bust it open.
2,000 years later.
Then that video as well.
Get to the bill like, hold up.
And that video.
Paul Sinead, sir. Barbie, I link up Major Laser.
I mean, what's not good about Nicki? And finally,
it has happened to me right in front of my face, and I just get excited.
I really do know a lot of songs. So finally, what is so good about this song is that it makes you want to dance. It's as simple as that. And what is a Fergie song if it doesn't cause you to move? Well, except this song. But I mean, for the most part, most Fergie songs make you want to dance. Without further ado, is it a do or a chew? Is it a new? Without a further ado, I always just said it really fast, so I don't really know what is it that people actually said. Somebody comment below and tell me what is the actual term. Anyway, run the track. Dance time. Chop.
Go Barry, yeah. Break it down, watch it all. Oh yeah, burger, you just burger, yeah. Well, fix up your shirt, yeah. Get ready for them, no, stop. And yeah, swing it, ooh, yeah, no, watch it now, muggle, then muggle, pause, yeah, whip and nene now, whip nene now, and ooh, yeah, get it, don't pull your spine now, who, let me, he, running man, and ooh, chicken, bring it back, yeah, ooh, and top.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Whew, I'm really tired. Well, anyway, that's it, people. Thanks for watching the first What's So Good segment about Fergie's video featuring Nicki Minaj. It's called You Already Know. Hope that you liked the video. Just hit the thumbs up button, the like. Please share, subscribe, tell a friend. And wow, I'm really tired. Also, if you want to email me, it is TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care. Until next time, and feel free to comment. What do you want me to talk about for my next What's So Good video? Peace out. You already know. Hope you're ready now. Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu. They Pikachu. They Pikachu. Hey, in a Vesco, wine in a Vesco, meaning a Nesco, Chica Wesco, in a Lesco, we have a Wooski, meaning a nation, then a son of lady, chicken ding for my baby. I'm tired. Mother.
Judges, don't get me ignorant, but I know me just hey, but I know me just play on the mic and tell them about the man that what I do? Now play the class fear so far, dog. So I want to cap out somebody, fleeing somebody, then them look. Soundboy ain't hating cause you broke them. You ain't come to class, you want to know something. Soundboy ain't hating cause you broke them. You ain't come to class, you want to know something. I want to play one. All I said a song Stefflon say yes. Now, I idiot something that in the matter. Now, I got to. A big idiot something that you play all over there.